Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about two more methods. One is includes, another one is includes, another one is isArray. This two method is very easy method, but this is also very much useful method. If you guys working on any kind of live project, then you usually you will see these two method people used to work. So this includes method basically like it do a matching with a particular text. Like if I want to find something related to smartphone with this name, so and if we put that method dot includes this name, so it will return us true or false. Actually this actually gives us boolean value, either true or false. Okay, so let's see. Now this is a array, so how we can manipulate? Let's try a for loop over it. So let's do it. So for let I equals to 0 colon the I less than products dot length and then I plus plus. Okay, then what you have to do? So if I want to find a specific description with this text include, okay, not all description include this text. So when this object will come, it will return us true. For other object, it will give us false. So let's see. Now products I dot description dot includes, okay, that particular text. Okay, particular text is rebatched, something like that. So let's see. Now let p1, and if I do some console log p1, let's see, it will give once true, and for the others it will give false. So let's see, node practice dot js. Okay, you see, what is this happening? Sorry guys, I run this for some another file. This is my practice one.js. Okay, so you see, for other four object it is false, 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 false. Only for the fifth one it is true. So this way includes work. If you want to match with some specific text name or some alphanumeric sign in the keyboard, like at the rate or slash or hashtag, if you want to do a matching that whether this particular string exists with this alphanumeric value or not, during that case you can use the includes method. This is a very simple and small method. Okay, and the second one is isArray method. This is also a very small method, but this is also very useful method. Like if you want to check that whether, because JavaScript cannot segregate between the array and object, it consider array as object and also object as object, because JavaScript only understand object. So for that, if you want to segregate whether the outcomes, whichever it is coming, whether it is array or object, for that we use this method. So let's do let check equals to array dot isArray and the particular array name. If it is an array, it will give us a true, or else it will give us a false. So let's see, console.log check what it will return. This will also give us a result like boolean. Okay, so yeah, it is give us as true. Now if I take something else like let obj, which is an object, okay, with a name abc. Okay, now if I check for this object, it will give us an false. Let's see. Yeah, it will give us an false. So this will check whether the outcomes, it is an object or an array. So based on that, if we have some requirement, we can segregate. Okay, So for this video, only these two method includes and isArray. Like other videos, I will also put the code on the GitHub. You can check the GitHub link on the description box. Okay. I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.